Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cake bag. First, gather your materials: a strong plastic bag, a pair of sharp scissors, and your prepared cake batter. It's crucial to select a bag that is clean and robust, without any punctures, to prevent leaks. A standard 1-gallon freezer bag is often an excellent choice for this purpose, providing ample space and durability for your decorating needs. Now, let's prepare your bag for piping. Carefully take your scissors and snip a tiny corner off one of the bottom edges. Remember, the size of this cut directly impacts how thick your cake batter will flow. It's always best to start with a very small opening, perhaps about 1/4 of an inch, and then you can always make it larger if you need a wider stream. This gives you more control. Next, it's time to fill your cake bag with batter. To make this process cleaner, fold the top edges of the bag down to create a cuff. This helps prevent batter from getting on the outside of the bag. Then, using a spatula, carefully spoon your prepared cake batter into the bag. Be sure not to overfill it. Leaving about 2/3 of the bag empty will give you better control when piping. Finally, you're ready to pipe. Twist the top of the bag tightly to seal the batter, ensuring no leaks from the top. Hold the bag firmly and gently squeeze from the twisted end, guiding the batter towards the small opening you created. For best results, practice on a spare plate or parchment paper first. This helps you get a feel for the pressure needed and the flow of your batter before decorating your cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.